never know what brought me here, as if somebody laid my hand. It seems a hardly hard to steal my Christmas plan. And destiny, it guides us all, and by its hand we rise and fall, but only for a moment, time enough to catch our breath again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan. How one life touches the other, it's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together, we travel through as far as we can, and we have waited for this moment in time ever since the world began. And taking in the times gone by, we wonder how it all began. We'll never know it till we try to understand. And even though the seasons change, the reason shall remain the same. It's love that keeps us holding on till we can see the sun again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan, and we have waited for this moment in time ever since the world began. And I stand alone, a man of stone, against the driving rain, and tonight is God's phenomenon, and the wind it cries your name. If we search for truth, we don't lose. In these we're all the same. The hope still burns eternal. We're the keeper of the faith, and we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan. How one life touches the other, it's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together, we travel through as far as we can, and we have waited for this moment in time ever since the world began. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. They said you were leaving, someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it, tell me about the plans you're making. Oh, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you, now that I've been loving you so long? How am I supposed to gone. Too proud for crying, didn't come here to break down. It's just a dream of mine is coming to an end. And how can I blame you when I build my world around, hoping one day we'd be so much more than friends. I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Even now